Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing about Bitcoin short term, what's going to be happening for the end of the year and for the month of January. Are we going to see more sell-off coming? Are we going to see a new all-time high? What's going to be happening with the alt season? In this video, I'm going to answer to you all of these questions. So give me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, if you're new to the channel or if you already subscribed, you probably noticed that I was saying in my previous video that we should have seen a center rally with Bitcoin to go way, way higher. It was around $93,000, and I said we should be going to around 99, 100,000, and this has happened by perfection. And of course, guys, our VIP group, you can see the trading results from here. We have made incredible results. You can see my pro members making trading calls and all these results over here, guys. So proud of this community. Look at the results from here. We post trading calls every single day. When to get in, when to get out, from myself, but also from other pro members. Bitcoin analysis every single day, altcoin analysis. We now introduce a new section here of the spot trading section where you can see from here which coins you can, of course, with entry levels, what to buy, what to sell. Everything is written over here. So if you really want a high quality, if you really want to make a difference in really understanding buy selling and also invest in long term trade, improve your trading and all of that, you need to join the VIP group, guys. You can see we have a little trailer over here on our website and also our trading results for the last past 10 months. Everything documented. We are one of the most transparent people on this into the crypto space. And also, guys, very, very important, if you want to learn as well, which lots of people are asking me right now, do you provide any coaching to teach people how to trade one-on-one? I do have on my website on Freedom Trading Academy a coaching called the FTA mentorship program over here. 4 weeks to become going from zero to become a professional trader. I'm going to teach you everything I know, my advanced skills that enable me to become a professional trader. But just to let you know, this is going to be very limited for next year. I will be taking only 2 people. There is too much high demand. Right now, we're also going to increase the prices by December. So I still got around 2 places for at this price for December. So if you want to join and have a proper one-on-one coaching mentorship to become a pro trader, that's your last chance. I'm gonna put also like a link on how to sign up to the mentorship program. There is a little trailer as well. And of course, guys, that's going to be the best package you can get. But now let's go and discuss about BTC to see what's going to be happening right now. Now, it's going to be a very important catalyst that everybody knows that on the 20th of January, we're going to see Donald Trump, who's going to be inaugurated, 47 US president on the 20th of January. And this could actually spark a big rally within crypto and also stocks. And the question everybody is asking me right now, is Bitcoin going to explode from now until the end of January? Are we going to see a correction? Now, I would like you to show you what happened in the past since like 2017, like in these years where we had the bull market. I'm going to go back in time and show you straight away January 2017. And as you can see, guys, we actually pumped up to here. We went up to this area at the end of the year. We had like a final blow of top up to here, and then January until I would say the end of January, we had a little bit of a sideways downtrend. The same thing happened again if you're gonna go in 2020. I'm gonna show 2020. So Bitcoin went up to here at $42,000. Then you had a correction down to here by January again, 11th and 18th, and then at the end of January, it started to go up again. Same thing happened in 2023. We had like a little bit of a sideways consolidation until the end of January. You can see blow off top at the end of the year, and then it went down again and then up in this way. So right now, looks like we are mimicking all this time. It looks almost that we are at this point over here. We had like this beautiful blow off top. Right now, we could be seeing maybe something like that. I'm going to show you right now for the month of January, maybe something like that. Maybe one more streak to the downside down to here, 87,000, 88,000. And then when Donald Trump is going to go to the office and then he's going to start to swear that Bitcoin is going to go crazy, they're going to establish a reserve, strategic reserve, and all of that, we could be seeing another pump to the upside. That's what I'm looking right now. And of course, guys, for the altcoins, it's going to be very, very similar. We could be seeing maybe some sideways, and then from February onwards, I could be seeing more explosion to the upside. Now, let me show you also what's happening intraday so you can have a good understanding of what's happening right now. So you can, of course, decide, what to do right now. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do trade on your own at your own risk. I'm not here to provide you any advice. But as you can see from here, guys, what I can see objectively is that Bitcoin, like so many other coins, are forming, as I said before in the latest video, an Adam and Eve pattern. You can see there is an Adam and Eve this way over here. There is a neckline that if you're going to be able to break this neckline over here, we should be able to go high as probably 102 to 103,000 dollars for by probably the end of the year. What I can see right now is that BTC, I'm gonna go and cancel this so you can see a little bit better. BTC had a nice push to the upside. It's forming like a sort of like a double bottom, like an Adam and Eve pattern, which is a reversal pattern. And what I could see here from here maybe could be some sort of like a sell-off maybe today down to this area, down to 96,000, 95,000, and then finally you should be able to break to the upside. And of course, the reason why I'm saying that we should be seeing probably a pump up to this area around 102 to 103 is due to the Fibonacci retracement. It's a very important mathematical equation which can make us understand how high the price of BTC could go. And as you can see from here, what I could be seeing could be that retracement up to this, what we call the golden pocket area. You can see that we're going to go up to this area over here, maybe have a big pump up to here, and then another retrace down to here, down to like 88 to 89K, and then final push to go way, way higher than that. So lots of people are asking me as well, are you bearish on Bitcoin and altcoins? Do you think altcoin season is over? I think that, guys, looking at a historical pattern, alt season hasn't even started. You can see that, for example, if you're going to go on others market cap, the crypto total market cap, excluding the top 10 altcoins, where everybody's panicking right now that basically, is the end of alt season. We're not going to see any alt season. What I can see from here is a massive cup and handle, or even like invert a head and shoulder from here. And in general, when this one plays out, guys, what we could be seeing could be as a target, a push up to this area over here. We can even go as high as probably 750 to 800 billion dollars, and it's actually connected 2017 to 2021, and this point over here we could be seeing really 750 to 800 billion dollar market cap. So do you know what it means if I'm gonna take this one from 350 to 800 billion dollars, guys? Lots of these coins, right, have maybe a market cap of like 1 billion, 2 billion, so we could be seeing like 4 or 5x coming with no problem. So right now, that's what I can see. Are we gonna go see again a crash, from here and down to there? Well, of course, it's a possibility, right? Anything is possible into this crypto space. Is a very highly volatile space. Is very risky, but at the same time, doesn't look like that. Doesn't look like we're gonna go down and then up again because of the current narrative with Donald Trump, also with the Fed, cutting interest rates. And all of that. So I wouldn't be too, I would say, scared right now, like for the altcoins as well. Something as well we can have a look at that is the Bitcoin dominance as well, the market cap dominance. We can see what happened as well over here. So we had a drop down to this area right now. You can see the market cap dominance is trying to climb back up again, which pretty much our altcoins are suffering against Bitcoin. But again, I believe there's probably like a corrective movement. We're going to see probably another push up like that, a rejection down to this area, down to maybe 51%, 50%, and this is going to be whenever our season is going to start. But again, we can have a look at historically what happened historically over here. End of December, you can see the Bitcoin dominance completely dropping down like crazy. A little bit of consolidation from here, and then boom, down again from February to March onwards. So basically, what I can see from here from 2021, from 2017, is that in general you can see that January is a little bit, I would say, Bitcoin and crypto ranges a little bit, goes up and down in January, explodes in February and March, and then retraces like in April. So if history can help us to understand what to do, I'm expecting that potentially we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping down to this area over here at around 47 to 48% by end of March 2025. And this, if this one happens, we can really see so many altcoins doing like a 4 to 5x. And of course, if you want to, you're interested in coins, which they could actually explode, it could go very, very high, guys. The VIP group has everything there. You can see our altcoins long-term analysis over here. We wrote everything, all the coins which we think they're going to go up like crazy. So guys, join us, very, very important. But otherwise, that's what I can see right now. The last one also I want to discuss, lots of people are asking me right now, Ethereum USDT. We can go over here. And by the way, guys, again if you want the full analysis on altcoins, other altcoins, we have everything over here as well, a section dedicated to that. Every single day we have all of this. And right now with Ethereum, guys, Ethereum looks very similar to what's happening with the total free market cap, as I was discussing before. We are basically about to break this structure over here, which in my opinion looks more of a potentially like a cup and handle, which is doing that. Then you basically calculate from here to here, and then it's going to bring us, to maybe 6,500 to 7,000. That could definitely be on the cards. Again, even if Bitcoin can help us, if history can help us to understand, Bitcoin did exactly this. So we connected this point here to this point here, then to this point over here before having a substantial correction. So what I could be seeing from here is that Ethereum, once it's going to break all-time high, we could be seeing potentially a push up to this area over here, which is going to be in between 7,500 to even $8,000 for one Ethereum. Some people are calling me crazy. They're telling me, it's impossible this is going to happen. But let's be honest. Bitcoin went from 70,000 to 110,000, which is roughly 65%. So the same thing is going to happen to Ethereum. We're going to see an appreciation from the previous all-time high, 5,000, 4,900. We're going to see a 60% appreciation. Of course, 5,000 is an extra $3,000, which means that you should be taking us to a target of roughly $8,000. So in my opinion, Ethereum is going to go in the next few months to in between 7,500 to actually $8,000. And I really hope all of you Ethereum holders, I made you happy with with all of this. So that's quite cool in my opinion. Last one, I also want to show you guys important Solana. You can see that we made a crazy call. Like we just established this call over here. I think it was around here back in the days. We wrote everything 176.77 over here, everything documented with Solana. Guys, we bought the exact bottom from here up more than like 70-80%. Guys, this is how you trade these markets over here. And basically Solana, what I can see right now is that we basically went down and retested this area over here. The question is, are we going to continue with this? Are we going to continue to go higher, or are we going to see another drop to the downside? So what I can see from here at the moment is that Solana could be a little bit in trouble, especially when we go to this area over here, because we have formed a potential bull flag from there, like a potential downward channel. And what we could be seeing from here with Solana is going to be maybe something like this, a push up to this area at 208 to 209. And then from here, if we're going to be unable to break this resistance, then I could be seeing another push down to here, and then finally a break to the upside, or we could be seeing something like this. Which one is going to be the right one? I don't care, because I've entered already at 176, as you could see from my analysis. I'm going to let it go. If it goes up to here, I'm going to probably sell 50%, but if it's going to continue, I'm happy I'm making money. If it's going to go down again, I'm going to rebuy it again and make, of course, more money. But at the moment, guys, Solana as well, if you go look at the weekly chart as well, you can see that very similar to the total free, to the others altcoins market cap, all all of these, like, looks like Solana is about to go absolutely crazy. And I think that Donald Trump is going to be the catalyst to see all of that happening. So again, guys, to summarize everything, January might be a little bit choppy, Bitcoin going down maybe to 88, 90K. And then we should be seeing after January a nice push to the upside. What am I doing? My portfolio, I already said to everybody, I sold 90% of my Bitcoins. I'm in lots of cash right now. I have also a portion of my holdings on my portfolio is into altcoins. Is Bitcoin going to go to 88K? I'm going to allocate more money into altcoins. If Bitcoin is going to go to 120, we're going to see this crazy alt season coming right now. I'm going to be happy and sell everything I got. So I really hope I helped you with this video today. But of course, if you have any question, guys, leave a comment down below. And don't forget about the mentorship program and the VIP mentorship program. As I said before, limited spaces right now. So hurry up until I'm going to increase the prices, because our level of education is second to none. And second of all, VIP group, guys, one of the best communities you can find on the web. But otherwise, I really wish you an amazing Boxing Day, a great day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another important video.